Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to take a screenshot of particular parts on a Windows PC. So this is actually pretty cool. When I first figured out that you can take screenshot of only particular parts on Windows, I was like, damn, that's actually cool. We all know that in order to take the screenshot of the whole screen, what we do is go for Windows and print screen, but there is a easier method to take screenshot of particular areas you want. If I have a window open here, right, so let's just say for example we have Twitch open right here, and then now if I wanted to take a screenshot of, let's say, Trimax here, all I have to do is hold on these three keys together. So it's a Windows, Shift and S, and then it says draw a shape to create. As you can see, I just did a screenshot of the thumbnail right here. All I had to press was Windows, Shift and S. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.